The maps below show a beachfront area in Australia in 1950 and the same area today. So guys, firstly we need to pay attention to this thing. Same area today in 1950. So it's really important when you are writing maps, you need to pay attention to tenses you need to use. So firstly, uh, if I'm going to talk about facilities in beachfront area in 1950, I'm going to use only past simple tense. However, if I'm going to describe changes that has happened so far, I mean for today, I'm gonna use present simple, present perfect. Yes, these ones. Present simple and present perfect, and that's enough. And it's maps, so I'm going to write my introduction. And if you don't know how to write any introductions for uh, task one, questions in IELTS, it's really simple. You need to only paraphrase the prompt, and that's enough. For example, the maps below show a beachfront area in Australia in 1950 and the same area today. The report, the report, the report provides information about changes that about changes uh, about changes in a beachfront area in Australia, right? From 1950 to the present day. So the report provides information about changes in a beachfront area in Australia from 1950 to the present day into images. Right? İşte resimde. So that's going to be my paraphrase. So this is introduction. Okay. And I'm going to write my overview. And writing overview is really simple. So you need to describe how the area changed. How the area changed. For example, you need to write from X state to Y state, and I'm gonna explain it later. And plus, I'm gonna add some notable changes, right? Notable changes. And if you don't understand very well, I can even show here, right? So you can see how to write overviews, right? So how the layout of the place changed from X to Y, what were some notable changes, and also you can talk about what were some changes that remained unchanged. You can talk about this one, the result of changes. And I think talking about result of changes is kind of important if you are aiming for a higher, if you higher, let's say higher score for writing. And there are some chunks of languages. I'm gonna show them slowly. You can pause the video and take a screenshot of them, right? And back to our task. Back to our task. So that's it. I guess four things, right? Four things. I explained them in the file. So again, file is here. So you can take the screenshot. Okay, you can take it. And my overview. So in general, there have been there have been quite significant alterations in the region, including introduction of new entertainment facilities like restaurant, restaurant, surf and surf clubs, and and so there have been quite significant alterations in the region, including introductions of new entertainment facilities like restaurants and surf clubs, demol demolishments, demolishment, right? Demolishment, I guess. So demol demolition, okay, demolition. It means to remove something. Demolitions, demolitions, and lastly, addition. Lastly, in addition, of a new car park. Car park. Notably, notably, notably, the road, the road along the beach was also extended. Was also extended all the way. Was also extended. All of which, all of these changes, all of these changes resulted in the region shifting from a basic beachside to beachfront area to more user friendly and built up. So I guess here we can learn this new word. I guess built up. 1 minute. Built up. A built up area is one where there are a lot of buildings. So it actually means it has thing addition of new buildings. So you can see here we have more buildings now compared to the past, right? Built up. The road along the beach and the pool were also extended. So as you can see, here we have 25-meter pool, which is now 50-meter pool. 50 meters pool, right? 50 meter or meter pool. So in general, Mumi holidays, there have been quite significant alterations in the region. So alteration means وزيارش, including introductions of new entertainment facilities like restaurants and surf clubs, demolitions, and lastly, an addition of a new car park. Notably, the road along the beach and the pool were also extended. Extended means kengaytırıldı. All of these changes resulted the region shifting from a basic beachfront area to more user-friendly and built up, right? So user-friendly means faydalanıcı yapılır. And my main body one, right? So for my main body one, it's really simple. I'm going to only talk about 1950, how it was looking in 1950s, right? So in 1950, in 1950, the access to the beach was from the northern west area, from the city, through the road that went all the way to the to a car park, located car park located there. So it was located on the opposite side. So opposite side, right? So northern west area is here, and opposite side of it would be here. So below the road there were, okay, right? So there were several amenities comprising from the west children's playground area, right? Children's playground area, so a children's playground area with several attractions and a pavilion directly facing the beach. Directly facing the beach. So what we have also two pools, right? Two pools on each eastern and western sides of the beach, right? And the beach used to house two pools in lengths, so in length of 25 meters, in the length of 25 meters. The beach used to house, so house, I guess, kind of really useful word. It means to provide space for something, right? To provide space for something. The beach used to house two pools in the length of 25 meters on each side of it. So it's going to be western and eastern. While, while, while a lighthouse stood, stood, stood. So we have lighthouse, which is located in the southeastern corner, right? On the southeastern corner of the beach. The access crash to the beach was from northern west area from the city through the road that went all the way to a car park located on the opposite side. Below the road, yolunu passıda there were several amenities, kolaylıklar vardı, comprising from the west, comprising from the west in order tertip boyunca garptan a children's playground area with several attractions in the pavilion directly facing the beach. So you need to understand why I've written here from the west in order. So it means garptan tertip holatda. So firstly we have children's playground area and then pavilion, which means that this sentence is helping to adjust order of facilities located here. The children's playground area with several attractions in the pavilion directly facing the beach. The beach used to house two pools in the length of 25 meters on each side of it, western and eastern, right? While a lighthouse stood on the southeastern corner of the beach. Currently, currently, currently, currently, a car park has been. So I guess I need to write introduction. I need to write topic sentence here. Currently, the layout, the layout has witnessed major shifts. Major shifts. For instance, the playground area making way for an additional car park and car park and additional car park and the road being enlarged okay enlarged enlarged enlarged being enlarged. So the road running further from the north to the to the east on the left side of the beach till the lighthouse. It has given a convenient access to it to the lighthouse. Okay, has given a convenient access. That one pool on the west has also seen the expansion from 25 meters to 50 meters. Expansion, right? Expansion from meters. Similarly, okay, while a surf club and a restaurant has have been erected while the beach also has now a surf club and a restaurant behind this pool. Another pool on the east is stays still at present, yet there is another surf club behind it. It is a lighthouse and a pavilion that have not shown any signs of modification. So currently, hazırda the layout has witnessed major shifts. Katta o'zgarishlarni boshdan kechirdi. Misol uchun, the playground area making way for an additional car park. Demek additional car park uchun joy qoldi. And the road running further, yana yo'l ko'proq yurib, demek yo'l kengaygan edi. So as you can see here, the road I have goes further from north to south, right? North to south. So from the north to the south, on the left side of the beach, chap tomonida, till the lighthouse gacha. It has given a convenient access. U qulay kirish berdi. That one pool on the west has also seen the expansion from 25 meter to 50 meter, while the beach also has now a third, while the beach has now a surf club, and a restaurant behind this pool. Another pool on the east stays still at present, stays still, remains unchanged, remains intact, right? So it means remains intact. O'zgarmasdan qoldi. Yet there is another surf club behind it. Shunga qaramasdan bu yerda surf club bor. It is a lighthouse in the pavilion that haven't shown any signs of modification. Hech qanaqa o'zgarish ko'rsatmadi. Right. So how many words do I have? Here I have 21. So 21 plus 62. So that's going to be 21 plus 62. That's going to be 83. So 83 plus 90. That's going to be 173. And 173 plus another 109 words. So that's all going to be that to how many words? 282 words, right? 282 words. I'm not really that good at math. I don't know really why, but 282 words. And that's really good. That's really good. So that's it. This is how I would describe this sort of task in IELTS. And as you can see, that's really good. Yeah. Thank you.